Today we in the gym, I'm going to show you how to perform a muscle up. And for those who know how to do it already, I'm going to show you great tips and tricks on how to do more reps. And not only that, make your muscle a lot stronger so you can perform the movement a lot easier. Like that? Yeah? Good. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy ReggieB. Today we in the gym. I'm going to show you how to perform a muscle up. And for those who know how to do it already, I'm going to show you great tips and tricks on how to do more reps. And not only that, make your muscle a lot stronger so you can perform the movement a lot easier. So before we go any further into this video, you should know how to do 10 pull-ups and 10 dips. So if you don't know how to do that first and perfect that, and then come back and try to do this entire routine. But on to the video for those that know how to already. On to tip number 1, stretching out your wrists. Wrist flexibility is very crucial and important for many aspects of gymnastic strength training, calisthenics, or any exercise you do in the gym. But for this in particular, will really help you because of the full range of motion of flexibility in your wrist will help you get above that bar while doing a muscle up. So flex forward and backwards on each side. Another great tip on able to do muscle ups a lot easier. Start trying to do pull-ups chest height. Instead of doing it to the chin, bring it chest height, because it's going to get your muscle a lot stronger and pulling yourself up. Not only that, it's going to get you used to being that high so you can be able to explode in doing dips. Like this. Instead of doing normal pull-ups like this, we're able to come all the way up to chest and make it a lot easier for you to come here, so when you go over and make the muscle up a lot easier. So right here you see me demonstrating the bar to the chest pull-ups. When you're doing this, I want you to not use momentum. Right here you see me slow down a little bit because I felt myself swaying. You want to have all the tension on your upper body, because for you to have that explosiveness, you have to have a strong upper body. Okay, so now we're moving on to another great tip. We're going to practice doing muscle-ups with the band. The band's going to help you and give you that assisted push to help you get over to that bar a lot easier. So you see here how I'm using the band. I'm letting the band build up momentum to throw me up so I can get myself over that bar. That's what you want to do. You want to literally explode and then push yourself up in that dip. Don't be afraid to throw yourself up because the momentum is going to help. Now we're going on to a really important tip. The thing that a lot of people, they have a mistake. When they're doing the muscle up, they don't know how to position in their hands. They let their arms hang, which is like this. You don't want to keep your wrists completely straight hanging down. You want to keep a little bit tension. And not only that, you don't want to lock your elbows out. You want to still keep the tension on your lats and keep the tension on your wrists. So when you're able to come up, you have that very little momentum of pushing, and then here, but once you bring it over to your chest, push up as hard as you can. You want to be able to have that explosive movement as you're doing it. So it's not just a slow movement that you're doing here, and you're coming up, and you're going over, and you're doing this. That's when you've mastered it. But for those that are not really at that level yet, you want to use some momentum and you want to have those explosive twitch muscles take over to throw you over that bar and push you up as you do a dip, for example. Here is the end result of a muscle up. Keep in mind that you see me when I'm going down, my wrist is still above that bar. It's very important because that's what's going to help you get that momentum. Not only that, make it easier for you to throw yourself right over that bar. Alright everybody, there goes my video. Hope you enjoyed. Next time you try muscle ups, throw this into your routine. I guarantee it will start strengthening your muscles. Not only that, get you used to being able to put yourself over the bar. So, hope you enjoyed. Hit that notification button so you know when my latest video comes out. It's your boy ReggieB. Like my video, subscribe to my video so your boy can be back. And if you do that, he'd be real proud of you.